Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Get some sun with Paz. We're in St Ives and we're going to have a little look around at the town. So as Julie's just walking past the Three Ferrets pub, didn't actually go in there, but I'm sure it's very nice. As we're walking towards Bubble Trouble. The weather wasn't exactly fantastic. It was the middle of June in 2021. It was roughly between 16 and 21 degrees throughout the week. We did spend a week there and we stopped at Western Hotel, which I fully recommend. It was a great little hotel, good food, good company, good entertainment. They have open mics on the evening entertainment, and the rooms were adequate, very nice, very clean. So this is a Cornish pasty shop. We had a few Cornish pasties from there. That was really nice. So we're walking past here, we've got the Meta Centre, which is an art centre, photography, picture frames, etc. As we walk down this street, we're coming up to a shop called Weird Fish. Now this shop sells everything from ornaments, souvenirs, postcards, sunglasses, whatever you can think of. This shop's got clothing, shoes, purses, handbags, wallets. They seem to have the lot. So we pan around to the right. This is another street that's full of shops and bars and Chinese restaurants and Indian takeaways, etc. You got the Edinburgh Woolen Mill on your left hand side there. Now this was closing down. It was a closing down sale. There was a few places closing down, but just remember this was during the pandemic. So on your left hand side we've got the Queen's Pub. Fantastic pub, great place to eat. Not very cheap, to be fair. It's quite expensive, but then yours in St Ives, it's quite expensive everywhere to eat and drink. Your average beer price was about £5 a pint, which might sound extortionate, but remember you're kind of out in the sticks down there. So I'm sure it's costly to get it down there. So we're walking past St Ives Holidays. Get yourself a holiday in St Ives, but it was already there. We've got another little bakery on the left hand side here. Have a look at the gingerbread men in the shop. As you pan round, there they are, the little football outfits. Lovely. Look even better with the heads bitten off, I'm sure. So as we walk down there, now we've got this church. Let's just walk down and get to it. Another pub on your right hand side. I can't actually remember what the name of the pub was. But we're in Marketplace. We're coming up to St Ives Parish Church, which is a lovely little church. It's in the centre of St Ives and you can be seen from all over St Ives. When you're standing on the front you can always see the spires. And as we pan around to the right we have a memorial surrounded by flowers in full bloom. Now the memorial reads, "In proud and grateful memory of the men of St Ives who in the World War 1939 to 1945 and in the Great War 1914 to 1918 gave them all, and in giving raised men's ideals of what man may become." As we're walking past Coaster's Tea Shop, which does all your little cream cakes and your teas, we'll come around to the front. He's duly taking some pictures of the seaside. It's a nice day. It was overcast, but there was breaks in the cloud. Throughout the week it was ranging between 16 and 21 degrees. Usually around about 19 degrees, so it wasn't too bad. This is St Ives Lifeboat Station, and this is the trailer that pulls the lifeboat on and off the beach. Now we did actually get to see this in operation one evening. There was an emergency going on and everybody was out watching it. All the pubs was closed, they all shut to get ready to see what was happening. So the Arbor fish and chip shop. Very nice fish and chips. We did have it there twice. You can get a beer with your fish and chips, crunchy batter, really nice. This is the Lifeboat Inn, very nice place to drink in, not very cheap. The Treasular Lounge, there was quite a bit of a queue one evening when we tried to get in there, but we did manage to get in there. The Harbour is a pool and billiards. It's basically a games room for the kids and that. As we pan around to the right, you've got a Court Arcade, which if you walk through there's lots of shops and that. The Rum and Crab Shack, that is a very popular place to go and drink and eat. The Cornish pasty shop, every Cornish pasty under the sun in there. You've got your donuts, you've got your cakes, etc. All your prices and menus are listed on the wall outside, which is brilliant. This is the Harbour. All the boats are moored up, ready to go out and do a bit of fishing. Absolutely lovely little harbour. When the sun's shining, this place looks absolutely superb. Unfortunately, it was cloudy most of the week. There was breaks in the clouds now and again. It wasn't bad at all. I enjoyed it. I really would like to go back down there again. So, you can do a bit of crabbing off the pier as well. And lady and a child had caught this crab. Two of them. Baby one and the daddy one. So guys, this was St Ives. This was a quick look around. If you enjoyed what you see, give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell for notifications. Look at it, there's an invisible man. What's he doing here? I don't remember seeing him. So anyway, give me a thumbs up, like the channel, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye for now.